In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text on Squarespace. Animating text on your Squarespace website can give it a fresh, dynamic feel, captivating your audience right from the get-go. If you thought this task was only for the pros, think again. With a few simple clicks, you can bring your website's text to life. So, grab your coffee and let's dive in. First things first, we need to access the Squarespace platform. Open up your web browser and head over to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that to move to the next step. Squarespace offers a variety of login options, but for simplicity and speed, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This is particularly handy if you already have a Google account, which most of us do. Selecting this will bring up a list of your Google accounts. Click on the account you want to use for Squarespace. This should be the account associated with your Squarespace website. Now that you're logged in, you'll be presented with an overview of your Squarespace sites. Click on the website you wish to edit. This will take you to the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Next, we're going to enter the edit mode for your site. You might see a list of different areas you can customize. Look for a link or button that says Edit, which usually appears as you hover over different sections or in the menu options. This is your gateway to modifying content on your site. Upon entering the edit mode, navigate to the page or post where the text you want to animate lives. Once you've found the text, hover over it and you'll see an edit icon appear. Click on this. This step is crucial because it allows you to make changes specifically to the text content. Here comes the fun part, the animation. After clicking edit, look for the Animate icon. It's usually represented by a small symbol reminiscent of movement or animation. Clicking on this will bring up the animation options for your text. To apply animation to a specific piece of text, you'll need to highlight it first. Just like in a word processor, click and drag over the text you want to animate. With the text highlighted, you can proceed to change the animation type. Squarespace offers a variety of animation styles, so take a moment to click through and preview them. Each animation type will give your text a different entrance or effect, such as fading in, sliding in from a direction, or appearing with a pop. Choose the one that best fits the style and mood of your website. Once you're happy with your choice of animation, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located in the upper left or right corner. Clicking this will apply the animation to your text and close the editor. And just like that, you've animated text on your Squarespace website. The process from start to finish is straightforward, but can drastically enhance the look and feel of your site. Animated text can draw attention to important messages, make your site more engaging, and even improve the overall user experience. Remember, while it's tempting to animate much of your site's text, moderation is key. Too much animation can be distracting or even overwhelming for your visitors. Use this feature to highlight key points or to animate headlines for a touch of dynamism. Feel free to experiment with different animations to see what works best for your site. Squarespace's intuitive design tools make it easy to try out new ideas and undo them if they don't work out. So take advantage of this and explore the possibilities to make your website stand out. That wraps up our tutorial on animating text in Squarespace. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a new way to enhance your website's design and engage your visitors. Don't be afraid to play around with different animations to find what best suits your site's aesthetic and your brand's message. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace website. Until next time, keep creating.